Miami was founded in 1896 and incorporated as a city in 1896, named after the Miami River, which was named after the Native American tribe that lived in the area. The city is known for its diverse culture, with a large population of Cuban Americans, making it one of the largest Spanish-speaking cities in the United States. Miami is often referred to as the Magic City due to its rapid growth and development in the early 20th century. The city is home to the only Everglades ecosystem in the world, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and provides a unique habitat for various species. Miami Beach, a separate city, is famous for its Art Deco historic district, featuring over 800 preserved buildings from the 1920s and 1930s. The city has a tropical monsoon climate, characterized by hot, humid summers and warm, dry winters. Miami hosts one of the largest carnival celebrations in the U.S., known as Calle Ocho, which celebrates Latin culture and attracts over 1 million visitors each year. The city is a major hub for international trade and tourism, being one of the busiest ports in the United States. Miami is home to the Miami Heat, the NBA team that has won 3 championships and features a passionate fan base. The city's skyline is characterized by numerous high-rise buildings, with the tallest being the Panorama Tower, which stands at 868 feet tall. Miami International Airport is one of the busiest airports in the U.S. for international travelers, serving as a gateway to Latin America and the Caribbean. The city is famous for its nightlife, with numerous clubs and bars, particularly in areas like South Beach and Wynwood. Miami is also known for its vibrant art scene, with events like Art Basel Miami Beach showcasing contemporary art from around the world. Little Havana is a neighborhood that embodies Cuban culture, famous for its colorful murals, cigar shops, and traditional restaurants. The Miami Marine Stadium, built in 1963, was the first stadium in the world designed specifically for water sports. The city boasts a large number of parks and green spaces, with Biscayne National Park being a notable highlight, protecting a large area of coral reefs. Miami has a rich history of jazz music, having been a prominent location for famous musicians like Ella Fitzgerald and Louis Armstrong. The city is often associated with the South Beach lifestyle, characterized by its trendy fashion, fitness culture, and beach-centric living. Miami hosts the annual Miami International Boat Show, one of the largest boat shows in the world, attracting marine enthusiasts from all over. The city is home to several professional sports teams, including the Miami Dolphins, NFL, and the Miami Marlins, MLB. Miami's Art Deco architecture draws millions of visitors, with its pastel colors and geometric shapes being a defining feature of the city. The Wynwood Walls is an outdoor museum featuring large-scale works by some of the world's most renowned street artists. Miami is the only major U.S. city founded by a woman, Julia Tuttle, who was instrumental in its development. The city has been featured in numerous films and TV shows, including the iconic Miami Vice and Scarface. Miami's food scene is a reflection of its cultural diversity, with a mix of Caribbean, Latin American, and American cuisines available throughout the city. The city is known for its beautiful beaches, with Miami Beach being the most famous, featuring white sand and vibrant nightlife. Miami is home to the Perez Art Museum Miami, PAMM, which focuses on modern and contemporary art and offers stunning views of Biscayne Bay. The Miami Design District is a neighborhood dedicated to innovative fashion, design, and architecture, attracting luxury brands and artists. The city has a burgeoning tech scene, often referred to as Silicon Beach, attracting startups and tech companies. Miami is one of the few cities in the U.S. that has a predominantly Hispanic population, with over 70% of residents identifying as Latino. The city has a significant number of historic landmarks, including the Freedom Tower, which served as a reception center for Cuban refugees. Miami is home to the largest subtropical wilderness in the U.S., the Everglades National Park, which is a paradise for ecotourism. The Miami Heat's mascot, Bernie, is one of the most recognized mascots in professional sports, known for his entertaining antics during games. Miami is a major center for finance, commerce, culture, and international trade, often referred to as the gateway to the Americas. The city is also home to a number of historic churches and synagogues, reflecting its diverse religious communities. Miami has a strong real estate market, with luxury condos and oceanfront properties being highly sought after. The Miami Science Museum, now known as the Philip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science, features an aquarium, planetarium, and interactive exhibits. The city is known for its unique wildlife, including manatees, dolphins, and a variety of bird species that inhabit the nearby wetlands. Miami's cultural scene includes the Miami City Ballet, one of the largest ballet companies in the U.S., known for its innovative performances. The city has a rich sports culture, with fans passionately supporting their teams across various sports, from football to basketball. Miami has a growing reputation as a fashion hub, with events like Miami Swim Week drawing fashion enthusiasts from around the globe. The city boasts several historic theaters, including the Olympia Theater, which showcases live performances and classic films. The city has a strong tradition of outdoor activities, including water sports, cycling, and jogging along the scenic waterfront.